Flows, or workflows, are a collection of information, materials, or question you can use to share with, distribute to, or collect responses from people within your organization. I'm going to show you how to create a flow from scratch. To start, click Create New Flow. We offer an extensive library of templates, but for this demo, I'm selecting Start from Scratch. Give your flow a name and select an emoji. Now select a trigger. Triggers determine how and when participants are prompted to answer a flow. Scheduled triggers will notify and prompt participants to respond to a flow on whatever cadence you configure. On-demand will notify and prompt participants whenever you decide how you want to run the flow. No trigger will allow participants to answer the flow whenever they want. They will not be prompted or notified to answer. For this demo, I'm setting a schedule. Next, let's add some content to your flow by adding blocks. Participants will provide answers in each block. You can adjust the block settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of each block. This includes making any block required. We have a range of blocks you can use to collect responses. I'll demo a few of those to you here. Once you're happy with your content, confirm the flow's name, emoji, and add a description if you'd like to give more context about your flow. Once you're finished, click Create Flow. Once the flow is created, we'll decide who we want to participate in the flow and who we want to be able to view the flow. Participants are the people who answer a flow. Viewers are the people who can see all of the responses. You'll always be able to see your own response even if you're not a viewer. You can select individual people, emails, departments, or the entire organization to participate. For viewers, you can make it the entire org, all participants, owner only, which means only you can see all responses, or custom if you want to be more specific. I've selected the HR department as viewers. As the owner, I will always be able to see the responses even if I'm not in HR. You can also make the responses anonymous if you'd like. By default, we do not make the answers anonymous. To change this, click on the response settings and change it to anonymous. If you want to make the flow available to people outside of your org, you can change the link settings to anyone with the link. This will allow external responses for your flow, and all external responses will be anonymous. Once your share settings look good, click Done, and your flow is ready to go. Once the scheduled date and time occurs, your participants will be prompted to answer.